Hey everyone, John here. It is Thursday, April 17th, 2026. Putting out this short video on an issue that we've been seeing over the last couple days regarding some Microsoft updates, specifically to Windows 11. This is affecting RDP files and how they are uh, connecting to terminal servers, for example. When you have drives and printers and clipboard mapped, it's causing a lot of confusion. A lot of people are thinking that this might be a virus that's affecting things, and it's not. This is a fix that Microsoft put in to prevent phishing attempts with RDP files. So basically, bad actors are sending these RDPs through phishing emails, tricking people into clicking on them, and it connects to a remote system, which then maps your local drives on your computer. And even if you have network drives, if you're in a corporate environment, and therefore they can start infiltrating your drives that way. So this is Microsoft's solution to that. Um, as an MSP, I've seen this over the years as a threat to terminal services environments. And so, as a general practice, we actually disable local resources unless specifically required at the server level. But anyway, I'm going to show this to you, and I have a quick workaround for you if you're experiencing this issue because it can be uh, quite cumbersome for the user, and it's a nuisance. So let's get after it. So right here on my desktop, you see I have this client RDP file already set up, and when I click it, you're going to see the new error that comes up. When you select the options in here, it does not save them for all your sessions. It only happens for this particular connection. So therefore, every time you execute this, it's going to launch it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit this RDP file. And this is the traditional remote desktop connection. You can see the options are still checked. Um, Anything we do in here really is only going to enable what options are in that warning. So if I deselect those, the next time we run it, you're going to see that those options no longer exist, such as the smart cards or WebAuth. Okay, so I'm going to go back in here and go ahead and save it. And we'll close it out. And when we reopen the RDP file, you're going to see now the options have changed. So whatever is checked under the config and saved is the options you're going to see here. But again, it only happens for this one connection. So every time that you go to connect to this resource, it's going to fail. But once you check them and connect, it allows you to connect just fine. Okay. And then the next time we launch, you notice they're unchecked. And this specifically has to do with unsigned RDP files. So to fix this, we need to open our registry editor. Just click on Start, type reged, and launch the reg editor. And here we need to go to H key local machine. And then from here, we're going to go to software. And now we're going to go to policies, Microsoft, Windows NT, terminal services, client. And from here, we need to create a new key. Okay, so we're going to create a new DWORD 32 value key. And in here, we're going to type redirection warning dialog version, all one word. And then we're going to change its value to a 1. And click OK. And that's all we need to do. Okay. So now we'll close our registry editor. And now when we launch the RDP file, it's going to launch like it used to without those options. Okay. Now, Microsoft has officially put out a document regarding this update. You can go to this site right here to read it for yourself. But in here, you'll find all the information that you need about why they did this, and why it keeps coming back, along with the fix that we just implemented in the registry. Now, if you are an end user and you're wanting to fix this, please take caution with the registry. It can be devastating to your computer if you do it wrong. So reach out to your IT people and have them fix this for you. Now, again, here's the registry fix that we just went over. And just be aware that, you know, Microsoft can revoke this at any time. The true solution to this is going to be signed RDP files. So there you have it. There's the fix. Again, how long it's going to last, I don't know. Um, but hopefully it'll last for quite some time. Again, the ultimate fix is going to be signed RDP files, and that might be a little bit difficult, even for seasoned IT people, on how to sign those, because we have to generate certificates and sign them ourselves. But anyway, I hope this helps. Feel free to put any comments that you have in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Whenever these type of issues come up, we'll come back and revisit them. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks.